How to enable grid lines on Sony ZV-1 camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can enable grid lines on Sony ZV camera, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to enable grid lines, now grid lines basically means the type of grid lines that you can have. So maybe if you're showcasing a certain product here, you want them to be in a very accurate position. That is where the grid line feature comes into play. Now for this, all you have to do is just go to the menu bar here, and once you go to menu bar, you have to find display and auto review. So you have to navigate through various options to find that. Go to display and auto review, and under this, the third option you can see here is called grid line. So you can select grid line. Now currently I have it set to the rule of thirds grid because I basically have liking it 3x3 all the sides. So if that is what you're looking for, you can do that. You can enable a square grid to go ahead and enable a square grid over here depending on if that is what you want, or you can just go ahead and then set this to diagram plus, let's say, diagonal plus square grid, or you can just turn it off completely. So this way you can enable grid line on Sony ZV-1 camera. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.